Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus will have a triple camera layout with 200 megapixels primary camera along with 8 megapixels ultra-wide and 2 megapixels macro sensor. For selfies and video calls, it will use a 16 megapixels front shooter. It will have a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution. The display will support 120 Hz refresh rate. The Pro Plus variant will also use a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset under the hood. The processor will most likely be paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro is available in Arctic White, Iceberg Blue and Obsidian Black colors available. The Note 12 Pro Plus is confirmed to feature 120-watt fast charging that the company claims can charge the device's 5000 mAh battery from 0 to 100% in around 19 minutes. It shipped with the Android 13-based MIUI 14 operating system. The 200-megapixel Samsung HPX sensor will support optical image stabilization. There is some difference between the Xiaomi lineup devices comparison. Here below the detailed specifications of Xiaomi lineup. The only Redmi Note 12 will have Snapdragon 4 General 1 chipset, others are MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset. It will launch on January 5 in India. It available via Flipkart.